All right, guys, today I'm excited. I'm going to start doing some welding. I've decided why I have the floors out. I'm going to repair the top panel in here because I can roll this over. I can get it nice and welded in there, and it'll just make things a lot easier in my opinion. So I'm going to start working on that. I feel like I have a good enough structure here where it's not going to affect anything. Let's get moving on this and I'll get this thing rolled. All right, so I've got this patch panel here, and I'm only going to cut out what really needs to be cut out here. So what I'm going to do is start drilling out spot welds right through here. Just because I think I'm going to replace all of where it's spot welds on. And then we're going to slowly move up and see where it gets thin. I might be cutting it further up. Alright, so I'm going to use this spot weld cutter kit. Works really good, used it a bunch, but I'm going to just start coming across here and drilling out these spot welds. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I made this line. It's kind of rough, but I'm just going to start cutting this out with a grinder with a cutoff wheel, and then we'll kind of start popping some of this loose. Alright, hey guys, so I'm going to use this self-etching weldable primer. I already put one coat on this. I'm going to put one more coat just to, seal it up a little bit more, and we should be good. And I'm going to coat the back side of this guy here, just in a few spots. So. All right, guys, I got it all kind of welded in. Looks pretty good. But I'm going to put some epoxy primer on it right now because I kind of want to put some body filler on this just to smooth it out so I'm not doing it upside down and block sanding it. So I'm going to do that for right now, and then that part will be buttoned up. And I got to think smarter and not work harder. So let's do that while I'm doing this right at this moment because it's at a good, easy point. All right, this turned out awesome. We're about done here. A little bit in the future, we'll be doing some high build primer on this and doing a little more block sanding, but it looks good for where we're at. So guys, hit subscribe, check out more of my videos, and leave some comments and let me know what you think. Appreciate it.